9th December marks the International Day of Commemoration and Dignity of the Victims of the Crime of Genocide and of the Prevention of this crime. This Genocide Convention marks 72nd anniversary this year with the international community's commitment to never again repeat this crime. The 1971 Bangladesh genocide is one such heinous instance. There is an academic consensus that this campaign of violence, particularly against the Hindu population, was genocide. Operation Searchlight, which began on 26 March 1971, was to suppress the Bengali nationalist movement in the erstwhile East Pakistan by West Pakistan when Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, popularly known as Bangabandhu, won Pakistan's national elections. Pakistanis always viewed their Bengali counterparts as inferiors while extracting over 50% of Bangladesh's resources. With Bangabandhu's electoral win, Islamabad refused to accept a Bengali cabinet, which led to massive protests in Dhaka and other parts of East Pakistan. Pakistani military, with the support from radical Islamist militia such as Jamaat-e-Islami, went on a rampage, targeting the ethnic Hindu population. Yahya Khan, the Pakistani military dictator, approved the mass slaughter of Bengali Hindus, whom Pakistan considered as close to India due to their religious identity. In May 1971, 1.5 million refugees sought asylum in India. By November 1971, that number had risen to nearly 10 million. Australian doctor Jeffrey Davis, who was brought to Dhaka by the United Nations to assist with late-term abortions of raped women at the end of the Liberation War, believed the estimate figure for the number of Bengali women who were raped, 2 lakh to 4 lakhs, was probably too low. During the partition of India, Jinnah branded those who supported the use of Bengali language as communists, traitors, and enemies of the state. Since its inception, East Pakistanis were denied the very use of their mother tongue, with Urdu being imposed by Islamabad as the lingua franca. The refusal by successive governments to recognize Bengali as the second national language culminated in the Bengali language movement and strengthened support for the newly formed Awami League as an alternative to the ruling Muslim League. Thus began the cultural genocide, which resulted in 3 million Bengalis killed and culminated in the birth of a new nation, Bangladesh.